Sky Prophet, baby. Back with another quick video for you. Hope too much ain't changed for you since that last little video, unless it changed for the better. Head, place, and space, man. Head, place, and space. Blessings, guidance, and protection. Integrity, strength, focus, and understanding. Each individual out there, no exceptions. We ain't playing exceptions. Whenever you look at anything, at anyone, the whole makeup of it consists of God within it. I'm gonna repeat myself. Whenever you look at anything or anyone, the whole makeup of it consists of God within it. You're not apart from God. You're a part of God. Not apart from, a part of. Without the God alive in things, it withers away. It withers and dies. So whatever it is has to have God activated, has to have God active within it. God is life. God is life. We perish without God. We perish from a lack of knowledge. God is your nourishment. God is your energy. God is the catalyst for all things to change, all things to grow, all things to expand, enhance. I want you to listen. You got billions of cells in your body. Every cell consists of God within it. You got billions of cells. Every cell consists of God within it. All right? You operating just off of, I'm going to say between 30 and 40% of your DNA, of your DEA. And I'm saying that because a lot of individuals are elevating and raising their vibration. You know, so it's different for individuals, but that's the range. All right? Now, even with that, we awoke to the God in ourselves. Just at the 30 to 40%, we've awakened. You got a bunch of individuals has awoken to that within themselves, the God in themselves. These auras here are bright. These auras shine. So just think about if individuals, when individuals gonna be operating, you know, out of just say 90%. Can you imagine how big God's gonna be then got for individuals? See your cells. The reason why disease takes on our bodies is because we be on a low vibration, but we don't talk to innate. We don't communicate with innate. So when your cells regenerate, they regenerate the same way, the exact same way you've been training them to regenerate. I'm sick and all that, all right? Believing in all these diseases, just believing in that, consciously aware of that. That's how your cells reform. Now, when you talking to innate, you can regenerate new cells. When it's time for that cell to regenerate, it don't regenerate the same. It regenerates anew. That's how individuals even become better, because of those cells regenerating in a different way. That's important for every individual to realize, because consciously, that's how you can heal yourself, through awareness. That's your body. Ain't nobody took it from you yet. Everywhere you go, you got it with you. You're moving it around. You're doing all this. You're doing all that. It's yours. Why wouldn't you think that you can heal yourself? Why wouldn't you believe in God that much? That's the reason you're being given this information. God is inside you and everything else and everyone else. But in order to realize that, you got to activate that God in yourself. Prophet named all the things that consist of your vessel, your pineal gland. That's a bridge to source. Innate, directly connected to source. Your consciousness, multidimensional. Your soul, directly connected to source. Your higher self, directly with source, directly is source. Don't say you can't find a God in yourself. Don't say that. Remember what Prophet told you. God is as big as an individual allows God to be. God don't have no limits. God doesn't have no limits. And as much as you attaining, as much information as you attaining and you relearning and remembering, Prophet want to leave you with this. This is the last planet that was created. I want you to think about all these other universes that God, that source, that the Most High created before this one. Just think about that. We be thinking we know a lot. We know a lot, we do. Just in our own right. That's it. But information is endless. You will never have, you always gonna have information to learn. This is evolution. This is evolution. I want to clear something up. There's a lot of talk about black and white and all of this. Understand this. When this planet started, it probably was in the 20s as far as different kinds of humans. And then that went down to where we at now. Five different kinds of humans, 5 different races. That's where we at on the planet. But I need you to understand, when we went down to 5, everything was changed. It's not a different kind, like a different kind, like y'all trying to explain it. It's just as far as variety goes. Different kind of individual. We all unique in our own way. And we have different races. But when we ended up with the 5 humans, all that DNA, DEA, all that made all humans the same. You can believe it or not, but I could guarantee you this. Every individual has a pineal gland. And ask yourself, what's that for? That's your portal to source. So if everybody got a pineal gland, what people talking about? What people talking about? Some people don't have a soul. Like, what's the deal with that? Make it make sense for yourself. I'm not saying that what people say don't have truth to it. But this is way, way, way back. This is 100,000 years ago, man. Individuals talking about. Ask source. Ask your spirit guides. Ask your higher self the answers to that. You don't have to look in a book for an answer. If everybody talking about the matrix is an illusion, what you reading the books and believing it for? Like, ask yourself all these type of questions. Go within yourself and get the information.